morning, everybody. Welcome back to HBI Auto. Today we are in the 2021 BMW X3M Competition. This is an insanely fast SUV and I'm loving this thing already. This SUV is incredible. It's got 500 to the wheel, a 0 to 60 time of about 3.3 seconds, and just overall it's such a good SUV. And especially for someone, maybe you're a dad or maybe you're just a parent and you want to go fast, but you also want to have room for the kids back there. Let's go ahead and dive into the X3M Competition. So this is the interior of this X3M Competition. Now you've got a full black interior with a little bit of silver and obviously a little bit of carbon fiber throughout this interior. It's really nice, really simple, and very, very sporty. Now looking at the steering wheel, your drive selection modes are through M1 and M2. You have a heated steering wheel. Just a really nice interior, and honestly, I've always admired BMW interiors because I think they're sporty, they're simple, and just ergonomic, in my opinion, in design. Now, you do have a nice display screen right there. You have an all-digital display right there. Under here, you do have two cup holders and a wireless charging station right there, but that can all cover up so it makes it look a little bit cleaner. Gear selector right there, your navigational scroll cylinder thingamabob right there. Also more drive modes right here, including just the drive mode, suspension, and also your handling adjustments right there. You can all fully customize that. Your traction button, this is your exhaust button right here, your parking sensor, cameras, and your downhill slope assist. Now looking at the interior, these are really nice seats. They're definitely different looking and they're a lot sportier, and to be honest, they're a little bit stiff. I don't know where I fall with these because they are really comfortable, and they're really squishy, but it's also maybe it's a little bit too sporty for me. But looking at the design, really nice and clean in design overall. And then looking at the back, you obviously carry that design throughout. You'll see the child car seat back there. So this is a family-friendly vehicle. There is no sunroof, unfortunately. It's one thing that I really miss. But, I mean, you don't really need it with this thing. I mean, this thing is mind-boggling with everything else that's going on with it. But let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior. So this is the exterior of this BMW X3M Competition. It's a really nice dark gray paint on here. And then you also have tons of good black and silver accents on here, but with the paint you can kind of see a little bit of a pearlescent flake in there. It's really nice, very, very clean, especially when it's in the direct sunlight here. Now I do like these 5 double spoked wheels. You got the blue calipers right there. These are 21s in the front, and then you also have 21s in the back, so it's a square setup, which is really nice. You got those Michelin Pilot Sport all seasons on there, so it's ready for whatever kind of driving conditions you're in. You do have dual quad-tipped exhaust in the back, which is a really nice feature. And I just love the exterior design of the X3M. Now this thing is very sporty. It's definitely smaller than the X5 and the X7, but that's what makes it really nice. That it's compact, still has really good storage space, but you can also just enjoy this more sporty and narrow feel of it. Now lifting up the tailgate, you'll notice that you have this really nice, this is like a rubber mat right here, which is a really nice feature. Definitely like holds things in place. You do have extra M Performance plates back there, and then you also have my bag. Really good storage. You could put all of these seats down, so it just makes it a really comfortable and very universally used type of SUV. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you're interested in this X3 competition, I highly recommend you check it out. It's very torquey, it's pretty comfortable, and you got close to 500 to the wheel in a 0 to 60 time of 3.3 seconds. That's incredibly fast for an SUV. I love driving this thing. It sounds amazing and it feels amazing, and it's just such a sick SUV, and I really recommend checking it out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.